Hey guys, welcome back to Oracle Crypto Coaching. I'm your host, Luc Gill, and in this channel, we're all about diving deep into the areas of the crypto space that might be confusing for new traders so that I can break down these concepts into easily digestible segments to help you navigate your way to crypto success. There's a free trading academy launching soon, and if you haven't already, do click the link below to join our free Facebook group, where our community can offer ongoing support and you can take advantage of the free trading signals to help you grow your portfolio. We're at 100% accuracy at the time of this video, and while you're watching this video, if you find all this free value helpful in your journey, please smash that like button, give us a follow or subscribe. It would be a huge help for us to grow and put these golden nuggets in front of more folks that could really use this information. So today, it's time to talk about the difference between decentralized and centralized exchanges. DEX versus CEX. We've all heard these terms thrown around, but what is the difference? Why would you use one instead of the other? And what benefits do each of them have? Most of us utilize both at different times for different purposes. So, wondering how and why to use each? Let's dive right in. Centralized exchanges are certainly more widely known. These platforms provide a convenient, user-friendly experience to purchase cryptocurrencies from their liquidity providers. Some examples of famous Dexes include Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, and Crypto.com. On many of these exchanges, you'll be required to submit KYC and AML verification documents prior to trading larger volumes, but they offer the convenience of linking your regular bank account for deposits and withdrawals. They're usually highly regulated, thus they're the option of choice for institutional clients. However, it does not make the ideal choice for those that really value their privacy during their crypto transactions. It should be noted that not all centralized exchanges are regulated or have their funds insured. This is one thing to be aware of, because in the unfortunate event that there is a hack on the exchange, users' funds can be lost, and only the regulated and insured exchanges are required to replace affected accounts. There's a famous saying, "Not your keys, not your coins." If you do not hold the private keys to your crypto wallet, as is the case with all centralized exchanges, you do not technically have control or ownership of your coins. They have the ability to censor and confiscate your coins without much recourse. CEXs are companies, so they do bear the risk of the possibility of going bankrupt and shutting down one day. However, many of the larger ones, I don't see that threat as imminent. Centralized exchanges are official companies with offices, employees, shareholders, and while that comes along with strict regulations and compliance requirements in the US, it does have a number of perks. One great perk of using these centralized exchanges, especially for novice traders, is that they all have customer support teams that can be contacted if anything doesn't work or there's confusion while navigating the platform. They also all usually offer useful in-house tools for charting, analyzing market data such as price movement or volume, as well as offering other markets for derivatives, margin trading, and even other types of execution in the spot market. There are also some trading pairs that can only be found on centralized exchange platforms. They certainly do have a lot of perks. So, why would we want to use a DEX? DEX stands for Decentralized Exchange. Its primary goal is the same as that of a CEX, to provide a platform to execute trades between interested parties. They have no real company nor office, and after being built by a team of developers, the protocol is released via a smart contract, completely immutable on the blockchain. If the code is deployed correctly, this makes it completely unhackable. The biggest difference in perk is that rather than getting liquidity from a provider, All liquidity comes from the peer-to-peer network participating and supporting the DEX. Users all connect their cryptocurrency wallets to the platform via the use of a smart contract which governs all of the transactions. A well-audited smart contract protects users' funds and ensures that all transactions that go through can be operated by the parameters of the program set, without the same regulations and documentation needed by their centralized counterpart. This makes it the ideal choice for those that value their privacy. Because of the liquidity model with the DEX, users are rewarded for their contribution to the exchange platform. By providing liquidity, users can receive passive income on their existing crypto assets and receive a portion of all transaction fees that go across the pair that they provided liquidity to. They will receive a percentage of all of these transactions, directly proportionate to the percentage of their contribution to the pool. This can make for some very attractive APRs on low liquidity pairs, sometimes up to 1,000 to 5,000%. It's kind of nice that we can all share in these transaction fees that would typically go directly into the pocket of a centralized exchange. On many DEXs, we can take our profits one step further and earn a third way on our crypto investment. Providing liquidity to some pairs will allow us to mint an LP token, which we can then put to work on a yield farm to generate new tokens. 3 incomes on one investment is certainly one attraction that's triggering the masses to flow away from the traditional spot trading to these DEX opportunities. Some of the most popular DEXs include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, 1inch, and my personal favorite, PrivacySwap. If you are interested in learning more about yield farming, the latest crypto opportunities, and how to operate on the DEXs, do subscribe to our channel below and check our other videos. Sounds like a lot of perks, right? But what risks do DEXs carry? We have to be very careful while selecting a DEX because recently there have been numerous scams in the space and instances of what are known as rug pulls. This is where all liquidity is pulled from a pair, making it impossible to pull our initial investment. Not all, but many coins on the DEXs are higher risk coins, so please do your research appropriately and never invest more than you are willing to lose. If you are interested in learning more about how to evaluate a coin, a DEX platform, and stay safe against all the scams in the space, feel free to join our free academy. My name is Luc Gill, and my mission is to help all of you safely enter this space and have a successful start to your crypto journey and crypto mass adoption. I'll see you on the next video.